Welcome to our video on credit repair. Are you struggling with a low credit score and don't know where to turn? Are you tired of being denied for loans and credit cards? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about credit repair, including tips and strategies to help boost your credit score and improve your overall financial health. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It ranges from 300 to 850, with a higher score indicating that you're a more reliable borrower. Having a good credit score is essential for securing loans, getting approved for credit cards, and even renting an apartment. But if you have a low credit score, you might find it challenging to access credit and other financial services. One of the first steps to repairing your credit score is to get a copy of your credit report. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Check your report for any errors or inaccuracies that could be hurting your score. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau to have them corrected. Another important factor in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. If you're using more than 30% of your available credit, it can have a negative impact on your credit score. To improve your credit utilization ratio, you can either pay down your debts or ask for a credit limit increase. If you're struggling with debt, there are several strategies you can use to manage your debt and improve your credit score. One popular method is the debt snowball method, where you pay off your debts in order from smallest to largest. Another method is the debt avalanche method, where you pay off your debts in order from highest interest rate to lowest interest rate. Both methods can be effective, so choose the one that works best for you. In addition to managing your debt, there are several other strategies you can use to improve your credit score. For example, you can become an authorized user on someone else's credit card account, as long as they have a good credit history. You can also consider taking out a credit builder loan, which is designed to help you build credit. Thanks for watching our video on credit repair. We hope you found this information helpful in repairing your credit score and improving your financial health. Remember, repairing your credit score takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. By following the tips and strategies we've outlined in this video, you can take control of your credit score and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice.